you visit this website, click a few buttons and carefully follow my instructions to make Bitcoins in under 30 minutes. Free Bitcoin these days can be beneficial when the price of Bitcoin continues to rise over time and helps you to earn good profits out of it. Moreover, the amount of Bitcoin you will receive is always random and is different all the time. So in this video, I'll show you how to start mining 1 Bitcoin in 30 minutes. All you need is a computer or smartphone and an internet connection. This strategy is remarkable because it operates globally, no country restriction, and is a brand new method for everyone who wants to earn free Bitcoin. So I'm sure it will continue working until 2023. The most amazing thing is that no skill or experience is required to start making money here. You only need a computer and a few minutes of your time. So what are we waiting for? Let's get on with the video. Hello there, this is Roladel Business, where we teach you how to earn online income in an intelligent and easy way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel now and turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever we have new videos like this. Also comment down below if you have any questions, ideas or suggestions you want to share with us. Now, let me show you the smart and easy way to earn Bitcoin. So the first thing you do is go to bitcoin.org. The reason we are here is because bitcoin.org is a very popular and excellent website used to manage your cryptocurrency wallet. When you visit this website, you will see 3 possibilities. We'll pick the middle one here, which will allow us to create our own Bitcoin wallet, which is why we are on this website. You can also use any other wallet you want. So, please click on this option right here and the web page will look like this. You can see an assistance section below. This site has created a list of questions to assist us to pick the best wallet for our needs. So, please click on the following choice right here, and if you click it, you will see all the questions. There are roughly 4 questions. The first inquiry is regarding your operating system, which means this website will ask you about it. Smartphone, desktops, or even hard wallet can be used. Since I'm using a Windows device, I will choose this choice. But if you are using any other operating system, just make your choice. The next question is, how much do you know about Bitcoin? Once you've chosen your preferred answer, you can continue on to the next question by clicking the next button right here. But for this question, I'll select the new choice. As you can see, they have offered me options based on my previous question, giving me control. Transparency and pricing control allow us to fully control our Bitcoins. No third party can freeze or seize your cash, but you must still secure or back up your wallet in order to ensure that our transactions are confirmed in a timely manner. We can regulate costs that are normally paid with creating a transfer or altering it subsequently. That seems nice to me, so I made that choice as well. After selecting your preferred choice, click on the next to proceed to the last question. What qualities do you seek? Yeah, you have all these options, and since I'm not expert in Bitcoins, I'm not sure what half of them mean. So if you understand what each option implies, then you can go ahead and select the one you desire. But I prefer simplicity, so I'll choose 2-factor authentication, which is simply an extra layer of security for your wallet. This implies that if someone tries to hack your wallet, you will get a verification code sent to your phone or email, which means you or someone cannot access your cryptocurrency wallet unless you enter that code. So once we have selected all these options, we click on to next. As you can see, the website has given me Electrum based on my answers, and now we have Electrum. When you get to this point, click on Electrum and the page will appear like this. They will give you a brief overview of its reputation. So if you want to read it, go ahead and do so. And when you're done browsing this page, you can click on the button that says visit website on the left hand side. This will take you to the Electrum website where you may download Electrum sign up and get your own cryptocurrency wallet address. Hello! If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new videos for you guys. Now, let us go back to the video. The next and perhaps the most important step is to go to bitcoinlife.app. On bitcoinlife.app, it is now possible to earn bitcoins by completing surveys or watching videos. Once you have arrived on this page, click on the start button to begin earning money. It is important to emphasize their fantastic affiliate program before proceeding any further. And the example above, when you click on the affiliate, your affiliation link is displayed on the screen. Your affiliate link is clearly visible on this page. Those of you who are unfamiliar with what affiliate marketing is all about may be asking what it is. Well, it is in essence a referral program in which you share this link with your friends and family on social media. This This essentially redirects them back to this website, and if they sign up and begin earning money, you will receive up to 70% of the earnings from each person that signed up using your link to become a member of this website. Now, go to the pricing page. Please see the pricing tab above for further information. There will be 3 alternatives provided to you when you click on the link. Now guys, I must inform you that you will be required to pay a little fee in order to register on this website. That is right. You'll be required to pay a small price in order to use this website. But for me, I believe that small investment is insignificant when compared to the money you will generate from this website. As a result, you have 3 different subscriptions every day. You can earn between 0.1 and 0.2 Bitcoin by using the daily crypto key every day. You only have to work 1 day a week. The reason why I do not recommend this strategy though is that it is both more time consuming and more expensive in the long run than the 2 other. The second approach is to use the weekly crypto key. With this membership, you may expect to earn between 0.3 and 0.9 Bitcoins per week, which is fantastic. This one is a little more expensive than the previous one, but it's far superior. Instead of purchasing it on a daily basis, you purchase it for a week. You can utilize it on a daily basis. Doesn't matter how you use it as long as you do. I also do not recommend it because you have to buy it on a weekly basis, which is actually inconvenient. It is more expensive than the first option, but it's less expensive than the third subscription option that we have available to you here, because you can earn up to 1 to 3 Bitcoins each day, which is absurd considering how much it costs. We have a monthly crypto key, which I also recommend you to use because you can earn up to 1 to 3 Bitcoins per day. I strongly advise you to choose the monthly crypto key subscription. Then, the other 2 options. In order to use this website, you must first link your Bitcoin wallet to it after purchasing the membership that most suits your needs, and you are done, and that's it. You can now start earning money intelligent. I hope you will learn a lot from this video, and if you did, do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video, and I will see you in the next video.